Welcome back to our channel. So, now it's the time where all your plus 2 exams are over and the results of various boards are publishing. So, in today's video, we're gonna share you the best and most successive courses after your 12th PCB. That is, if you study science stream in 12th, you should watch the video completely if you're seeking for a good professional course. Before starting the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel. So here are some of the best courses you can opt after your 12th exam. Our first option 2 is about a NEET exam because it is not only provide you the admission to MBBS but also to courses like BDS, BHMS, BUMS, BSMS, Veterinary, Agriculture, and now according to the new updates from NTA, NEET also provide admission to BSc nursing courses in various universities of India. So more details on NEET exam will be provided as link in the description box. After medical, most of the people are looking for engineering courses. You can achieve it by writing Joint Entrance Examination JEE. JEE is an all India level engineering entrance examination conducted for admission to various engineering colleges in India. It provides admission to 23 Indian Institute of Technology, 31 National Institute of Technology, 25 Indian Institute of Information Technology, and 19 other government-funded technical institutes based on rank obtained by a student in JEE Main and JEE Advanced. According to new updates, NTA has decided to conduct JEE 4 times a year. Now let's look at BArch or Bachelor of Architecture. BArch is an undergraduate degree in the field of architecture. This is a 5-year program with a blend of theoretical and practical knowledge for students to learn the art of planning, designing and construction. To study BArch program, candidate must have secured a minimum of 50% in their plus 2 exam. The National Aptitude Test in Architecture, that is NATA, and Architecture Aptitude Test are the two of the most popular BArch entrance exam. Maths, Physics and Chemistry are compulsory subjects for the application to this course. B.Pharm. Bachelor of Pharmacy is a 4-year undergraduate program in which students study the method and process of drugs. It is mainly divided into 6 to 8 semesters. Minimum 50% marks should be secured in the 12th with a science subject. Admission to B.Pharm course is strictly on the basis of common entrance exam. Government or state colleges conduct their own entrance examination for the admission. After B.Pharm degree, students are offered various employment opportunity in pharmacy sector. They can open their own pharmacy by registering themselves under State Pharmacy Council. Physiotherapy. It's a 3 year undergraduate course for students looking forward to building their career as a physiotherapist. Through the course, a student gains skills and knowledge to, to a variety of impairment and disabilities. The aspirants must have passed plus 2 exam with physics, chemistry, biology as their main subjects. The minimum percentage required is 50%. Admission to BSc in Physiotherapy course is either done on direct admission or on the basis of entrance exam. It provides employment in hospital, clinics, nursing homes, rehabilitation centers, orthopedic departments, etc. BSc Psychology. It's a 3 year undergraduate psychology course, and this course provides in depth to understand the attitude, emotion, motivation, and human behavior. As of now, there are 669 psychology colleges in India. For BSc admission, the minimum eligibility required candidate to complete is plus 2 or equivalent exam from a recognized board with a minimum 50% marks. This course provides jobs in various public and private sector such as psychologist, child psychologist, mental health counselor, and more. Candidates also have the option to study MSc Psychology after BSc for further academic growth. Paramedical courses. It is a job-oriented academic program, and there is an increasing demand for paramedic professional both in India and abroad. Paramedical offers numerous career for students after class 12. Some of the bachelor degree in paramedical courses are Bachelor of Radiation Technology, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, BSc in Dialysis, BSc in Optometry, BSc in X-ray Technology, BSc in Anesthesia Technology. A paramedic should have a situational awareness, think creatively, and have a mental toughness. And it has many other courses too, so we will soon upload a video only on paramedical courses. Fashion designing. There are a variety of fashion design courses one can pursue at a UG, PG, and diploma level. In order to become a successful fashion designer, one has to possess certain skill like a good drawing skill, creativity, artistic thinking, innovative skills, etc. A various of entrance examination has been done for the admission to various fashion designing courses. BA LLB, that is Bachelor of Legislative Law. This course is an integrated law degree that the law aspirant can possess right after the qualification of their class 12. And it's a 5-year program. It contains subjects include economics, history, political science, sociology, along with the law subject like civil law, criminal law, labor, tax law, corporate law, etc. Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. It is a 3-year undergraduate degree course for candidates who wish to build their career in the field of journalism and mass communication. The minimum score for the admission is 50 to 60%. And it to provide aspirants with knowledge about various journalistic skills in mass media. So these are some of the most important undergraduate program you can pursue after your class 12th. And we have a variety of courses. So this is a part 1. We will come with the next video having many other courses too after your 12th. So thank you.